Hey, I just tested something that's been trending hard lately. If you're wondering whether it's worth it, yes, it absolutely is. So many users have given it 5 stars, and after testing it, I see why. Want to see why everyone's obsessed with it? Links in the description. Go now.
Hey, friends, you need to see this. Trust me, it's worth it. I've seen tons of products online, but this one stands out. It's simple, well-made, and the results speak for themselves. Thousands of positive ratings don't lie. Go see it for yourself. The link's right there in the description.
Hey there, you might want to see this before it's gone. I wasn't sure at first, but after trying it, I get the hype. It's one of those products that just works. Efficient, clean, and well-reviewed everywhere. Hit the link in the description and see what all the hype is about. Hold up, you won't believe how good this one actually is. I've seen tons of products online, but this one stands out. It's simple, well-made. Hey, I just tested something that's been trending hard lately. If you're wondering whether it's worth it,